Sandy,
Yep.
you like apples?
Yes, I like apples.
Yes. Okay. Good. But you like oranges better, right? And and you peel your orange. I can see that.
Yes.
When you offer me an apple, I like my apples sliced. I don't like my apples. I don't like to bite into apples. So when Sandy asks me for an apple, would I like an apple? I'd say I'd love an apple, but it has to be sliced. And she thinks I'm a child.
Well, that is being a child, because children have to have their apples, well, little children have to have their apples cut up. As they get older, they bite into them like adults do. And as we all know, oranges, to eat the peel on an orange or clementine or a tangerine or a lemon or a lime is extremely, extremely bitter, and it's just not palatable. So, hence why we peel it. But an apple peel, you can eat no problem. Everybody does.
I like my apple sliced, okay? Why do you hate me so much?
Because you're a child.
Back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me.
Water temperature is 59 degrees. We are south of Daytona, and it was really cold last night. Oh, it's freezing right now. Gloves on, we got socks. Woo! Sandy's down below making grilled cheese. I got a runny nose, for God's sakes. It's so cold. She hates me. She doesn't want me to teach her a thing.
Under, that's fine.
Yeah, that's why. Here, face the camera, hon, and show us how it's done. Let me teach you. Let me help you, hon.